sorry, of course, in English. Precious metals, such as gold or silver, often exhibit poor scratch resistance and low hardness, which makes them easy to damage, especially when they are used to manufacture watch dials. Nanomakers produce silicon carbide nanoparticles that can be used as reinforcing agents to increase precious metal scratch resistance and hardness. Within the Hyperco European-funded project, we've cooperated to design an industrial-scale mixing process, allowing the production of stable and high-quality nanocomposite powders. Sintered parts made of these nanocomposite powders show a higher hardness than the original metal ones, the one without the silicon carbide as the reinforcing agent, while keeping the same color and brightness. Nanocomposite powder processing can be transferred to many types of metallic powders to serve high-technology markets like the aerospace one. And besides, Nanomakers can provide unique silicon carbide sintered parts with a density above 99% and a hardness way higher than precious metal ones.